Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use macros on MSI Claw 7. First, open the MSI Center M. Now, click on Control Mode and Gamepad. Now, go into Macro and Create. Here, you can record the button, for example, A, X, joystick, Y, and stop. And now you can save it onto one of these two buttons. And as you can see, we can go to M1 or M2. No, not cancel. No. B. M1 save. And M1 is right here. And when we click it, it should work. But probably you can't even see it, because it's not doing anything right now. But yeah, that's how it works. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.